stack. You can set up. So it's not gonna feel perfect right away, but what we're looking for is throughout the rest of today for it to start feeling better, and then to feel better for about 24 hours. Probably sleep better tonight, and when you wake up tomorrow, you should notice a difference. And then after about 24 hours, it's gonna start coming back. Each time we work on it, we should get a longer period of time. But feeling better, that's what we're looking for. Okay? Any questions about anything?
No.
All right. You're all set?
All right.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome.